Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. In this video, I am gonna sharing a job openings from Senegal. It's a good country, established country, and I hope you can build your career in this country. So guys, if you are looking for a abroad job, I hope this information will be helpful for your career. So please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings from Senegal and how to apply and what is the requirements to apply for this job. Everything details we'll know. So let's move. This is a job for internal audit manager. So as you can see here, many of countries they are always looking for an experienced holder. Still there are some countries they are hiring freshers. So guys, don't worry for that. As a fresher, as an experienced holder, both you can apply for this job. Internal audit manager. Hopefully it's the employer or the company looking for an experienced holder. Still if you are fresher, you can apply, don't worry. We are looking for an internal audit manager with the leading fertilizer manufacturing company based in Senegal. So as you can see here, this is a company for fertilizer manufacturing and the location is Mukro, is a place in Senegal. And as you can see here, qualification requires its requirements for chartered accountants with 8 years of post qualification experience. As I already told you, always the foreign employers or the foreign companies always like to hiring experienced holder. So guys, as a fresher you can apply if the CV will be shortlisted as per your career, as per your qualifications and percentage. Maybe by the luck you can get a reply to attend the interview. So for experienced holder, they are freely applying for this job. They can get appointment for the interview. As you can see here, the qualification requirements for chartered accountants with 8 years of post qualification experience. If you have the proper qualifications and experience, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. Industry preferred manufacturing candidates must have process audit experience. African experience will be an added advantage. Interested candidates kindly send your CV to the given official email ID urgently. So guys, here I would like to tell you one thing. This is a latest job openings and this is a very genuine process. If you have proper qualifications and experience, you can get this job. So no need to request anybody, no need to go through any agency or any consultancy. You can directly get this job from the company. So this is the company official email ID. You can apply as soon as possible by this email ID, by your all documents including CV, cover letters, certificates, experience details, all things. Again, I would like to tell you, this is a recent job openings from Senegal and the job is internal audit manager. You should have the proper qualifications as a chartered accountant and you should have the minimum of 8 years of experience. So guys, if you have proper experience and qualifications, don't be late. I can suggest you please apply as soon as possible. This email ID you can get from the description below this video and all detailed information also available in the description below this video. So guys, don't wait for this. If you are belongs to these professionals, if you have experience and qualifications, apply as soon as possible. Of course you will get a chance to attend the interview, and once you getting success from the interview, the company or the employer will process for your visa and you can move single with a job. So guys, I am always trying to give you the information about job openings, abroad job openings. So please collect this information, at least attend to apply 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. You have to try, you have to apply. Of course, with a positive thinkings, you can get a response from the company one day. So up to that, trying again and again. Abroad job is not so easy. You have to try again and again. So guys, I would like to tell you, if you are belong to these professionals, don't worry for that. Apply as soon as possible. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will give you the information about other job openings. Up to that, stay with this channel. And one thing I would like to suggest you, for every videos, you please go through the descriptions. Information is there. Read by yourselves, understand it, and apply. Try to apply. Once you have get experience to apply, and once you will get to attend the interview, of experience is very important. How to attend the interview, this is a very important experience. Once you getting experience for client interview. Of course, you will crack the interview and you can move abroad with a job. So be positive, try again and again. For every videos, check my channel. For every videos, there are new job openings from many countries. Apply as soon as possible if you have a dream to move abroad with a job. So lots of thanks again. In the next video, we will discuss about the new job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel.